Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. This is my outfit of the day. It is Sunday. This is the church outfit. I don't know where any of these items are from. Mom, do you know where any of these items are from?
Thrift store.
Thrift stores. And then we got my shattered glass ceiling necklace. Headed into Belk's because I'm too socially awkward to buy makeup on my own, and I need my mommy to help me.
I'm not wrapping it either.
I'll wrap it. Our dogs are so spoiled that Dad gave my biggest dog a piece of toast, not knowing that little Ava Poo was just around the corner and watching. So now he is toasting all over again just so Ava can have a little bit. Look at her tail. Just got back from church. I have changed into a more loungy outfit. I'm snacking on my new favorite snack. It is the Smart Food Hot Buffalo Popcorn. Loving it. Making myself another iced coffee. And then we're gonna run errands to get ingredients for the meal we are cooking on Christmas. And we may go to like a dog park. Whatever, you know, whatever.
Oh my God.
Woo! Oh, woo, woo!
Wait, let me get the dog. Oh wow, you can't do anything with the glove.
Hello. Currently exporting Vlogmas Day 21. Just got back from a walk. It was really fun. There was like a wooded area, and the person we were with is very adventurous, so we climbed through the forest. But now the dogs are literally passed out. They are so sleepy. And we are going to get food and go drive around and look at Christmas lights. Babies. They're so tired. Hello, it is 10:24. and the walk we had today just for some reason tired me out so much. So I think I'm going to make my sleepy time tea, which I talked about in yesterday's video, and it works so well. It just helps me relax and feel fresh going to bed. So I'm gonna make some of that, and I have my Christmas tree still looking pretty. I'm watching this movie called Holly Star. It's a Netflix Christmas movie, and it's really good so far. It's about this girl who like loses her job in New York and has to go home for the holidays. So I'm basically just doing research for my future. But I'm gonna, yeah, make my tea, cuddle up, finish this movie, and I think that's all I have energy for some reason. I don't know why, that I'm so tired. We walked, took a few clips of it, but a huge field with the dogs, and then did some walking out into the woods also.